The Sandbox Metaverse tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Metaverse Sandbox and how you can basically use it and play it. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to this website called sandbox.game, and once you're over here, this is how the website is going to look like, and all you have to do is just simply sign up. Now to sign up, I've already signed in, so let me just go ahead and log out real quick and tell you guys how to basically sign in. So to sign in, all you have to do is click on the sign in button over here at the top right corner, and once you do that, you're gonna have a couple of different options in front of you. So you can go ahead and sign in with email or with your socials such as Facebook, Twitter, or Google, or you can go ahead and sign in with your MetaMask wallet, which is a cryptocurrency wallet. Now I would suggest using that one because when you're dealing with a game like this, which is based on a NFT game, and it uses cryptocurrency as its main currency form, then I suggest using a cryptocurrency wallet is the best option over here, because you won't have to go back and then create one as well. So by doing this, you'll create your own cryptocurrency wallet, and then you can go ahead and play the game with it as well. So I'm going to go ahead and choose MetaMask, and over here, as you can see, I'm already over here. All I have to do is just simply enter in my password. But if you haven't created an account, you'll be redirected to their MetaMask's website, and over there you'll just simply have to enter in your details and create an account. And once you've done that, just simply install the Chrome extension into your Chrome browser, and then you'll be arrived on the same home screen as me. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter in my password, and as you can see over here, it's now signing in. And once you've entered in your password, just simply click on sign, and that is basically it. Now, in order to really take full advantage of all of this game's feature and all of the things that this game offers, you'll have to have some sort of cryptocurrency within your wallet. The cryptocurrency that this game uses is based on the Ethereum blockchain called Sand. So just simply add Ethereum or Sand into your MetaMask wallet, and then you're good to go. Now you can go ahead and play the alpha version as of right now. It's open from 29th of November to 20th December, and just simply click on play the alpha, and then you can go ahead and download the game and start playing it. But before we do that, let me just go over here and show you the map. Now over here on the left side, you have map. Just simply click on it and you will arrive over to this homepage where you will see the entire map of the metaverse. You can go ahead and buy these maps and locations at a hefty price. Now these green boxes that you see over here are the ones that are sold. You can't buy them. The blue ones are reserved for Sandbox itself, for events and giveaways and parties and stuff like that. And then the other one with the logos are basically for companies and supporters of the game. And then you see over here the orange and yellow ones. Now the orange ones are on sale, so you can go ahead and buy them as well for cheap. And then the yellow ones are the premium land. You'll have to pay a double the price. As the name suggests, you'll have to pay a premium price to acquire these lands. And there are also white blocks as well, but I don't see any of them as of right now. Those white blocks are usually blocks that you could buy on OpenSeas. So currently I don't see anyone, so we'll just leave it at that. Now let's go ahead and start the game, and let's show you guys how it's basically done. But before that, let me just check out the marketplace as well. So over here, as you can see, these are some of the NFTs for sale as of right now. These are creators. These are avatars that you can go ahead and download and use them as your main character. And over here on the left side, you have Care Bears. This is basically the Care Bear NFT collection. You have the Atari collection, the Smurfs, the Binance, the premium partners, Zipito, like all of these different, NFT creators, NFT avatars that you can use to play in the game. I just wanted to show you guys that. Now let's go ahead and click on the home button over here and just simply click on play the alpha. And over here, we'll just simply click on skip for now. And as you can see over here, this is the game itself, I think. And we can enter the alpha hub, and all we have to do is just simply click on the land that we're trying to play in. But we can play it directly over here, or we can download the game on our Windows. I'm gonna go ahead and download the game. Currently this game is only available on Windows for now. It's not available on any other iOS or stuff like that. So as you can see, I'm just simply gonna go ahead and download the game, and once it's downloaded, I'm gonna install the game, and then I'm gonna run it. Then I'm gonna show you how it basically looks like while playing the game. Okay, so now the game is almost installed, and I can go ahead and start playing the game. And once it's done that, we'll see how it basically looks like. And a lot of people on the internet, a lot of videos that I've seen, they don't actually show you how the game actually looks like. So I'm gonna be playing this game for the first time, and giving you my initial impressions on the game as well. I have also played this game once, but that was in the beta form. I don't know how the alpha is gonna be, a little bit different, but we'll see how it basically looks like. Okay, so the game is almost done. Just wanted to check out some things before I, go ahead and play the game. So over here, there are some rewards as well. So there's 1,000 sand reward, which is a total pool price is 5 million sands. Each player can win up to 1,000 sands. That's the level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and level 5. But to get that reward, you need to have the alpha pass, which you can find it on OpenSeas. But I'm not gonna, go ahead and do that. So we'll just play it as a simple mode. And we can also create other stuff as well. So if I come over here, if we click on create, we can go ahead and download the game maker. And once we've downloaded the game maker, we can go ahead and start to create for free. We can build and share, no coding is required. We can create avatars and other things as well. We can create lands, we can create different maps, and stuff like that, which I think is pretty cool as well. Now, from the initial impressions, I do think that it looks quite a lot like Minecraft. I think that it is a mix of Minecraft and Fortnite and all of the other games as well. So I think it's gonna be fun. Okay, so the game is now downloaded. I'm just gonna go ahead and run the game now. Okay, so the game is now, installed onto my PC. It's currently now validating the files and checking the asset files. And once it's done, we can go ahead and finally start to play this game. Okay, so this is how the game looks. It looks pretty fun, looks pretty simple. Like as you can see, we have quite a lot of things to do over here. I think we have to go over here, maybe get a quest from this person and do a couple of things that he asks. Let's just look around for a little bit. This is Rick Grimes from The Walking Dead. Okay. And then what do we have over here? So we have Snoop Dogg over here. Where is he? There we go. Okay. And then we have the Atari over here, the Ninja Golfer. Yeah. And then we have Fun Bears, I think, whatever they are. And then this is the portals that we can take to go over to different lands. And this is the Smurfs. What is this? This is the Deadmo 5. I don't even remember this guy as well. So whatever. So we'll just go ahead and just, talk to this old guy over here. An alpha pass or an alpha quest. So we don't have any of them. So we'll just go with E. Okay. Can I do an alpha quest here? Yeah, let's go over here. Okay, I don't need it. So I guess we needed to have an alpha pass to actually play the alpha version of the game. But that doesn't matter. I think that we can just still scroll around and see how it looks like. So what is happening over here? This is the golden ape. What does this button do? Maybe we can read something over here. Like this, the overall game looks pretty fun, I think. I think it has quite a lot of potential to become one of the best games ever, especially in VR. I think Decentraland and, Sandbox are the only two games at this moment that are really, like legit in my opinion. What does this do? Can we like, break them? Okay, we can't. Thought we could break them and, get something within them. So currently this game, maybe it doesn't look that good, but my PC is not that powerful. So that's why the game is a little bit lagging, but that doesn't really matter because the overall impressions of the game is really good. So let's go over here and go to this location. Okay, we cannot go that. Nothing is available to us for now. So this is the Alpha Hub. It's a 2x2 and only two people are over here, and we don't have an alpha pass over here, so that's why we can't do anything else. But I'm just trying to look around, see what it basically is. Let's go ahead and see if we can find a portal and just look around. Can we enter over here? Travel. Okay, so I guess we can go over there. So let's go then. The Dungeon of Dumb Use. Think this is a game that maybe we can complete and maybe we can get some sort of reward after once we've completed it. but we'll see. Okay, so this is the dungeon that we just popped in. Let's see what this is about. Let's see what this person says. Can we scream, hi, a new victim? I mean, challenger to face my dungeon. Are you a challenger? Yeah, let's go. Want to find the wind portal located at the end of the dungeon. Okay, where is the sword? Can I get the sword? Do I have the sword? I think the sword's out there. Okay, so let's go ahead and pick the sword. Let's see if I have it. Inventory open. Can we like place it over here? Yeah. Okay, so we have the basic sword now. Let's go ahead and see what this old guy has to say. Maybe later. Okay, so the dungeons. How do we proceed? Can I hit the bots? I guess not. Okay, let's go ahead and fight some demons or wolves. Yeah, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, what is happening? Oh, I don't know. I have no idea what is happening. I'm just clicking buttons at randoms and just playing the game. Okay, so two wolves down and that's it. What does this say? Forgotten gargoyle? Okay, that doesn't sound fun. Come on, Wolfie, I'm gonna kill you. Take this, take this, take that, and that. Yeah, I am the best at this game. I am the best. Okay, so now what? Now what do we do? How do we... Can I open this door? No. Okay. Oh. Okay, so the wolf is back. How do we go up there? Well, I don't think we have much time to, explore, I guess. I'm gonna have to end this video over here, but as you can see, this game is pretty fun. It's really good. Just lost there for a second within playing this game. It was really fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.